2009 we have got a separate cell for these issues, because we saw that number of cases are rising at that time. So we made a separate cell for this. Earlier we saw that these issues were mainly in the northern states, especially in Punjab, Haryana and Delhi. But now we are seeing that cases are trickling in southern states also, especially Andhra and Telangana. And maybe the states, the countries from which these men come from are different or sometimes the same, but the cases are rising. And these NRI marital issues are so serious and so complex that it takes long for us also, being a nodal agency in these cases, we also take a lot of time to solve these or help these women. I must say that these awareness programs should not be, only in the halls or with the people who are already aware of these cases, but also in the school, colleges and in general society, where women now should be aware that if they are getting married to a person who is outside India, what all maybe she will face in future.
National Commission for Women for organizing this very important seminar regarding the NRI marital issues which are faced by the women, and we are very happy on behalf of the Telangana Police and Women Safety Wing to support in organizing this seminar. Women Safety Wing was formed in 2018 and with the major objective of taking care of all the cases which are committed against women and children. And we are looking at all these cases from a 360 degrees perspective, so that all women and children are covered and supported in all ways. And in this regard, several modules have been made, including cybercrime, domestic violence, human trafficking, anti-human trafficking. We also have domestic violence module also, and what we call the She Teams module also, which mostly takes care of cases of sexual harassment in public places.
Chairperson for conducting this seminar on legal awareness on NRI marital issues faced by women survivors in Telangana, which needs special attention to address the issues of Indian women who are getting trapped in deceptive matrimony with overseas Indians. In last few decades, I witnessed a phenomenal increase in NRI marriages due to increased migration of Indians abroad, where a job prostitution has historically been seen as a more lucrative measure of a better life. In many Indian states and regions, marriage of a son or daughter to a person living abroad seems to give a better life for the children. Naturally, the number of disputes relating to such marriages has also increased, leading to incidents of desertion of wives by NRI husbands, child adoption cases, matrimonial property disputes, etc. This is because many marriages are conducted without proper verifying the antecedents of the group. To address these issues in Telangana, a special NRI cell is working under the head of the IGP Srimati Swati Lakra Garu, and also Women Celebrating under the leadership of the DIG Srimati Garu. Telangana Women Commission also received 15 NRI petitions, out of which if we look into the petitions received, and alarming number of these marriages of fraudulent or marriages for dowry, harassments and ill-treatment by husband and his family, loss of communication with the spouse after he goes abroad, request for assistance in serving judicial summons for court proceedings in India, assistance in obtaining child support and maintenance from the spouse, request